In the next few minutes, we will discuss decentralized exchanges or DEX, as they are known in the crypto world. Some of this information will be repetitive of the last video, but we felt it important enough to include. As cryptocurrencies continue to gain mainstream recognition, the need for reliable and secure platforms to facilitate the exchange of digital assets has become paramount. This is where decentralized exchanges, commonly known as a DEX, step in. DEX has emerged as a revolutionary concept within the crypto world, offering a decentralized alternative to traditional centralized exchanges. In this video, we will delve into what exactly a DEX is, how it functions, and its significance in this evolving landscape. A decentralized exchange, or DEX, is a type of digital marketplace that operates on blockchain technology, which allows users to trade cryptocurrencies directly with one another. Unlike centralized exchanges, which rely on a trusted third party to hold users' funds and facilitate transactions, a DEX enables peer-to-peer trading, which eliminates the need for intermediaries. The core principle behind DEX is the utilization of smart contracts, self-executing protocols that govern and automate the exchange process. These smart contracts are built on blockchain platforms such as Stellar, Ethereum, or others, which ensure transparency, security, and immutability. Because these platforms are decentralized, they eliminate the need for all the intermediaries involved in traditional central exchanges, and therefore reduce the costs associated with investing and trading substantially. When a user wishes to make a trade on the DEX, they interact with the smart contract that represents the exchange. The smart contract holds the user's funds in a secure and decentralized manner, which eliminates the need to trust a centralized entity. Users of a DEX create their own security, which are referred to as keys. The users will be issued a public key, and the user creates their own private key. This private key enables the user to retain control over their accounts and trades, which ensures the security of their assets. 5 significant features of decentralized exchanges. 1. DEX platforms align with the core values of cryptocurrencies by removing central points of failure and control. This decentralized nature ensures that no single entity can manipulate or compromise the exchange process, which provides greater security and transparency for users. 2. Traditional centralized exchanges often require users to disclose personal information, such as identification documents, to comply with Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) regulations. DEX platforms, on the other hand, allow users to trade without revealing personal data, maintaining privacy and reducing the risk of data breaches. 3. Unlike centralized exchanges that require users to deposit their funds into exchange-controlled wallets, DEX users retain full custody of their assets. This eliminates the risks associated with hacking and the loss of funds due to exchange insolvencies. 4. DEX platforms provide access to a broader range of tokens, including those with lower trading volumes that might not be listed on centralized exchanges. This opens up new investment opportunities and promotes a more inclusive and diverse crypto ecosystem. 5. DEX platforms operate on the internet, allowing anyone with an internet connection to participate in trading. This global accessibility enables users from all around the world to engage in borderless transactions without being subjected to geographic restrictions. While DEX platforms offer numerous advantages, they also face challenges. Liquidity, user experience, and regulatory compliance remain areas that require further development. However, with ongoing advancements in blockchain technology, solutions are being developed to address these challenges. Looking ahead, the future of DEX platforms appear promising. As cryptocurrencies gain wider adoption, DEX platforms are expected to become more user-friendly, secure, and efficient. They have the potential to reshape the financial landscape by enabling seamless and decentralized peer-to-peer trading, while maintaining user control and privacy. Decentralized exchanges have emerged as a transformative force within the crypto world. By utilizing smart contracts and blockchain technology, DEX platforms offer users enhanced security, privacy, and control over their digital assets. As the crypto ecosystem continues to evolve, DEX platforms are likely to play a vital role in shaping the future of decentralized finance, or DeFi, and revolutionize the way individuals trade and interact with cryptocurrencies.